Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Gmail on your laptop or desktop. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open a browser on your laptop. So I just open my browser, you can see. Okay, now what should you do? You just need to go on your search bar and type gmail.com google.com. You just need to type gmail.google.com, then search it. Now there you can see open a Gmail homepage, and now what should you do? You just need to click on the top right corner on your browser, three dot icon. There you can see option three dot icon, just select it. Okay, now there you can see there have a option more tools. You can see more tools, and on the left side you can see a option create shortcut. Select it and you need to mark it. Open a Windows, mark it, and then you need to select create. That's it. Now cut it and now minimize it, and there you can see Gmail already on your laptop home screen. You can see. So guys, in this way you can download and install Gmail on your laptop or PC. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.